right, decided to head to a trail near Lake Michigan. Basically is our ocean here in the Midwest. It's nice to get out and do something like this before work. Kind of recenters you with nature, because it's so easy to fall into the habit of going to work, coming home, watching TV, going to sleep, just repeating the process, and you never actually get out there and spend any time outside. So it's one of the things about making these videos. It really inspires me to do that. So I'm gonna continue doing that, and sorry if I'm a little out of breath. We got about 1 million steps to climb. I call them the stairs of death. There's so many, but it's well worth it. Once you get to the top, you have an amazing view. You can finally get a view of the lake. And this trail that I'm on will end up ending right on the lake. And it's a perfect day to be here because it's like 15 degrees. And you don't got to worry about anybody else being here. So I guess I'll talk to you at the top because I'm already losing my breath. It's a cool look behind me. I like how in the wintertime when it starts to ice up on the lake, it looks pretty. It almost looks like waves out there, but it's just ice sitting there on the lake. And Chicago's quite off in the distance there. Maybe we can get a better view of it later, but it's just neat to look at. All right, back to the trail. Something I love about the dunes is it's so quiet once you're in them. Like once you go down these steps here, all the road noise is blocked out. Don't hear trains. It's just quiet. These are kind of like our little mountains here in the Midwest. You really feel like you're out there. It doesn't feel like anything else around us.